it's there, 75. There's the flag. Welcome to Scotland.
I was wobbling all over.
Firkin Point.
That's the right one, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it didn't have that sign on the other side of the road, did it? We should have took a picture of that. Is your camera still on?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Got it.
Yeah, see, because I recognise this bit, you see. No caravans and no large motorhomes, that's it, didn't it? Or no coaches, I mean.
See, he's parked there, they've parked there.
Yeah, that's the...
They're not in the...
that's the toilet block.
Why don't you just park on the end there for now?
Yeah, reverse into there.
Reverse into there, and then we can see what, or even onto that one there. But this
Do you want to be in the
fine.
shade? We won't be in the shade, don't we, really?
Yeah, I'm happy here.
Happy? That's the motorhome permit area.
Yeah.
I have to remember I've got that big box on the back.
You said that. You say that every time.
I know, well, that's what I have to remember.
Well, here we are at Firkin Point at Loch Lomond. So we arrived last night around about 4:20. It was really quite busy as it's been a bank holiday. By the time it got to about 7, 8, most people had already left and gone home. So just on the left here is the toilet block, which is amazingly clean. Really nice. Obviously the general rubbish waste is well organised around here, but so there we go, Firkin Point. Yeah, Loch Lomond. So going down, you drive in, there's car parking spaces all the way down, and then at the very bottom is the motorhome parking. So they say that beyond the point down where the motorhome parking is just motorhomes, where up here it can be tents. Morning! Come on. Wait. You don't need me. So we'll go down the loch first. Which is like a pond today. Like I say, last night when we came it was quite breezy. The water was totally different. So this is called the Old Military Road. It's quite a long distance, to be quite honest. I'm not 100% sure how long, but we walked 4k last night to the right and never came to the end of it. So we'll walk down here first. This shows you where the camping bays are. So Firkin Point, Camping Bay B, and Firkin Point, Camping Bay A. Morning. So yeah, really nice. And then if we look down the loch here, beautiful views. Perfect. Go back along to the picnic area. mean, it's 7:15 now. We couldn't wish for a nice morning, to be quite honest. So the camping part scene is down actually near the loch themselves. Go down these little steps. This is where we had our barbecue last night on the loch. So you can camp all around here. A bit rocky, some people prefer just to stay on the grass. People prefer to come down by the loch. So if I kept on walking, it would just be little paths with this shell-like sand. So if I quickly go back up, like I say, very clean. They do lock the toilets on at night time, but they leave the disabled toilet open, which I noticed, which is a good point. When I got up this morning at 6:15, the toilets had been immaculately cleaned and they were open again. So they opened them quite early. There on the right is the van. And our neighbours. Like I say, little beaches all the way along. Somebody's camping just down there. And this path just goes for miles. So great if you have bikes. More places you can camp down there. We're having a barbie. We're having a barbie. So I'm just walking along here just so I can show you that you're still in the camping places. There, as you can see, Firkin Point, sea. So if you want to be a bit wild, which is around here, it's pretty wild to camp. Yeah, water's beautifully clear, but you've got your own private beach there. For a bit of wild camping would be perfect. Right, I'm going to go back up the top. Lovely and quiet. See if Tony's popped the kettle on. Oh, that little path, if I wanted to, I went through there yesterday, takes you back to the car park where we're parked, but I'll walk round. A few midges out today, there wasn't any yesterday. I think it was a bit windy, so it blew them all away. Yeah, nice picnic tables around all over. So lovely just decided where we're going to have our bacon sandwich this morning. Oh, there's another sign there. Yeah, it is. You can see it says sudden drop, and it is just like that. There's Tony up there. He's up. He's up and out. Now don't be put off by the rubbish, because don't forget this is a bank holiday weekend, the Queen's Jubilee. I'm sure that it'll all be gone by the end of the day. Very well organised. I'll show you this point, because this is all the camping there. And you've got the motorhome. Between 7 and 7 AM should just be motorhomes beyond this point. Hello! Morning!
You go down by the lake?
No, I'll give it a miss.
Oh.
And there we go. That's where we're parked. Alexa, stop recording.